Let me show you how to paint lavender in less than a minute. So let's mix up our color. It's going to be a mixture of purple and blue to get that lilac feeling. So you might have two different blues. Try and find the brightest one just to bring up that intensity. Okay, make sure it's nice and juicy. And then we're just going to hit it straight away. So we want to bring the brush down, and you'll see it's almost in these like little clumps. And we'll go in threes, but allow them to just go slightly different directions. And whilst it's still wet, we're going to bring our green in. So I have to mix these two together because it's a really ugly green otherwise. So mix them in. And then all I want to do is just get a green going down there, all the way down. And for le piece de résistance, we're going to get this blue, juicy blue, and just dab a few little specks in at the bottom of these. And that looks pretty good, pretty quick and pretty easy. So the option now is to add a few more and just grow that lavender feel. So I'm going to do that. I've got all my colors ready, so it really should be nice and quick, nice and easy. And there we have it, a cute, quick lavender field. You can make it as big or as small as you want. So I'm actually going to add a couple more and probably leave it at that because this will just make a really nice, cute painting. But if you want to add loads, then go for it. It's really not super hard. It's going to look really good, whatever you do. So you can see when it dries, it's completely different. The blues blend into the purples really well and gives this lovely violet feel. It's really tonal, and I've not actually had to think about it too much. So hopefully yours is giving that same effect. If it's not, it's most likely that the paint wasn't wet enough, or in the rare occasion that it was too wet. So have a little practice, and hopefully by the time it dries, you'll come back to it with fresh eyes and think, do you know what, that wasn't so bad at all. So well done today, team. Enjoy the rest of your summery day, hopefully, and I'll catch you next time.